Hey, what's going on, everybody? Product Probe Quick Reviews coming back at you with a cool one today. Got a dual KARAMBIT right here. This thing is all aluminum handle right here. 2 stainless steel blades on it. Nice look to it. Got your, I guess you would call these your bolsters, but they're not technically your bolsters on it. But right here, your red non-lethal railing right up there at the top. Right here on the back, you have a pretty beefy belt clip that actually sits rather high. So even if you wanted to carry this thing, it looks like it's going to fit down all the way in your pocket or vest. Right here on both sides, you have dual thumb studs on each one of the blades. I guess you would call that quad thumb studs on the knife itself. Right back here, you have your 2 triggers, and you can open them up at the same time. Let's see if we can do this. Wow, a little delayed on this left one over here. But that's it, guys. If I can get it all in the camera right there for you. Sorry about that glare. I put those lights up just real fast. But that's it right there, guys. Nice looking. Right over here, you have an all straight blade Hawk bill blade right there. Liner locks on both sides, so you could close one blade, leave the other one open. Over here, you do have another Hawk bill blade, but half serration, half straight blade right up here. Your jimpings, if you were to just use a single knife, are not too bad. They've incorporated them into the blade right up there as well. Right here, your single hand deployment's going to be a little bit harder. However, if you wanted to, you could use just one. Go ahead and close it out right there. Yeah, single hand deployment is going to be, single hand close is going to be a little bit harder because it is a rather large knife. But let's see if we can get this. Ah, look at that. I'm dropping it. But anyway, guys, I'm trying to fit it all into the screen and do it. But with practice, you'll be able to nail both of them. But anyway, guys, just a simple, quick review on the dual KARAMBIT. If you want to see a more in-depth review on it, be sure to go check out our other channel at Product Probes. And I will see you guys in the next one.